I would say that Guyana is rich in biodiversity, and the reason is because what is behind me. All of this is from Guyana. Because we're such a small country, and because we have such a large biodiversity, to have all of that into a little landscape is very, very exhilarating, especially for me. Every time I go out into the field, I see so many different animals and plants.
One of the unique things I want to emphasize is that the Guyana forest, as I mentioned, is 85% naturally vegetation, natural forest. Flying over Guyana for, that's a 3/4 of your flight or more, you're flying over like a sea of broccoli. You look at this entire greenery from horizon to horizon, be it undulating, and then you have your outcrops of tabletop mesas and such. So Guyana still has a lot of vegetation cover. So compared to neighboring countries, compared to other countries, our populations of any of your endangered species is doing excellent in Guyana.
I think it's very exciting to be in a country where you have so many opportunities to experience biodiversity. When you think about biodiversity, you don't just think about something that is far away and in the forest. Biodiversity is all around you, and that is the way it is in Guyana. And we're a country that still has so much of our forests intact. And not only that, but we have so many different types of habitats.
Biodiversity related work matters to our local students because if you were to go and maybe go on Google Scholar or go and check on the different articles that are published, you would find that not so much of them are local students. It's because we don't have the necessary, the relevant finances or equipment to go and do these things that, our international researchers are doing. And I think it's important to know that you are capable. You are capable of doing these same exact things that researchers from abroad are doing, and you should be confident in that as Guyanese.
The rainforest is globally threatened. I mean, we got our neighbor Brazil, where I don't know how many millions of hectares have been, but also expansions of industries, cities, population growth. And here we still had the advantage of having all our greenery intact, and by having these studies, by having a combination of not only studies, to do the studies you need to keep your forests.
This is our biodiversity, and because it's our biodiversity, it is very important that we are involved in not just documenting. It's not just important to know what is there and how many things are there. It is important for us to monitor.